Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about on getting started with PowerShell automation for Citrix Cloud. Citrix Cloud provide a robust set of APIs that can be used to automate a wide range of tasks, such as managing sites, delivering groups, application, and machines. To get started with PowerShell automation for Citrix Cloud, you will need to install the Citrix Cloud PowerShell SDK. This SDK provides a set of PowerShell CMDA LETs that can be used to interact with the Citrix Cloud APIs. Import the Citrix Cloud PowerShell SDK module and authenticate to Citrix Cloud. Run the desired PowerShell CMDLets to automate your tasks. This script can be easily modified to automate other tasks in the Citrix Cloud, such as managing sites, application, and machines. Benefit of using PowerShell automation for Citrix Cloud. There are many benefits to using PowerShell automation for Citrix Cloud, including increased efficiency. PowerShell automation can help you to automate repetitive tasks, which can save you a lot of time and effort. Improve accuracy. PowerShell automation can help you to avoid human error, which can lead to more accurate and reliable results. Increase scalability. PowerShell automation can help you to scale your Citrix Cloud environment more easily. For example, you can use PowerShell automation to create and manage large number of delivery groups, applications, and machines. Improve compliance. PowerShell automation can help you to comply with industry regulation by automating tasks such as security audits and reporting. Getting more help with PowerShell automation for Citrix Cloud. There are a number of resources available to help you to learn about PowerShell automation for Citrix Cloud, including the Citrix Cloud PowerShell SDK documentation, the Citrix Cloud blog, the Citrix Cloud community forums, the Citrix Cloud support for assistance with PowerShell automation for Citrix Cloud. So here are the basic Citrix Cloud forums and resources that are available to help you learn about more PowerShell automation for Citrix Cloud. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you to understand. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below. And thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again. Bye bye everyone.